to comment about yang black and white and color. In fact, I like to draw the attention to macam architecture. In fact, I remember when I was lecturing in UTM dulu, I spent a lot of time with my colleague Professor Farid, Samsul Bahrain, in his, especially what attracted me most is how they assess the student. In architecture, there is a session called the creed session. Actually, the students actually mark their own work. Actually, they actually talk about their own work and they criticize their own work, and with the help of the lecture. I think this is a very a good way of actually correcting the students by using the vehicle of the student itself rather than us putting a fatwa to the student says, oh, this is right and this is wrong. And I find this is very interesting. I mean, this is my experience. And since I've been with them for a long time, I've always used this technique with my students and it's very effective. Thank you.
I think Datuk, itu yang kita dalam PTK, kita ada satu modul untuk tahap 4, PTK 4 yang kita kata kursus pembelajaran reflektif. Itu yang saya sebut. So bila kata the reflection in action, reflection after the action, reflection before the action. So ini yang saya sebut tadi, if there is one thing that we need to have a change in us when we leave this room is that we must have this process of reflection within us.
3 bulan yang lalu saya saya menghadiri majlis Viva di Sweden. I was in fact, the student was I co-supervised the student, and it was very interesting because the Viva session was made public.
Yes, true.
Ramai orang datang, kawan-kawan dia datang, makcik dia datang, bawa datuk dia datang, ya. Kemudian tu ada anak buah datang, kawan-kawan dia datang, dan dalam majlis tu dia kena among student tu ada sebelum panel yang dilantik tu untuk bagi komen, di kalangan student tu kena ada 2 orang. Yang satu cari kelemahan pelajar tersebut, yang satu lagi cari kebaikan pelajar tersebut. This is master student, ada 2 orang student saya. Jadi both of them are Swedes, and seorang ni akan cerita lah kebaikan ni macam saya memang tak boleh buat design macam ni, dia beritahu. Jadi for example lah, this type of modelling is for me is very difficult. I can't imagine how Laura boleh siapkan thesis dia dalam keadaan demikian. Seorang lagi tu dia comment on how the experimental work was conducted, which is very difficult. Ya, dia buat comparison lah, salah satu pada ni buat kat Senai kat sini lah, satu lagi buat kat sana kat Sweden. So Senai tu dia letak equipment tu, equipment kena curi orang. Yeah, the piece of equipment which cost about 25,000 was made available on the street and it was stolen very easily. And then dia tanya, macam mana ni dengan satu equipment saja you ada, you boleh calibrate semua data-data yang ada. So dia cerita macam kemudian tu student yang positif lah. Student yang negatif ceritakanlah cerita tentang macam-macam lah dia punya methods dan sebagainya. Lepas tu barulah examiner kemukakan soalan-soalan yang lebih teknikal. Jadi secara tak langsung dia mengajar para colleagues dia, student, untuk share knowledge yang kawan-kawan dia baru siap thesis, masters atau PhD. Dia kena baca. Jadi akhirnya nanti bila dia kena Viva, dia tahu I've read the thesis of others and I made comments. Dan dia hadir dalam majlis. Jadi saya fikir mungkin ada pembaharuan yang akan kita buat juga tahun depan lagi. Kita tahun ni banyak sangat nak buat. Kita lebih pada 6 bulan kot, insyaAllah. We have more than 6 months. Yeah.
Maybe some interesting PhD thesis Datuk, kita panggil public. I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
And it become,
make it public, and then say for example the accessor will apa baiknya kita close door. Bagi contoh, saya pernah menjadi assessor di Universiti Sains Malaysia. Pelik Universiti Sains tu, dia ada mikrofon kat sini, orang lain boleh dengar kat luar. Mic aja dengar, suara aja dengar. Ya, kadang-kadang orang tu fighting ya, and shouting and whatnot. Orang sebelah dengar, student kawan-kawan dia siapa-siapa dengar kat luar, tapi tak tahu apa yang berlaku kat dalam. Saya fikir kenapa kita harus sedemikian sifatnya. Mungkin SPS kena fikirlah ya, supaya kita make it open.
Kita dah make it open.